Toshiba today introduced new dynaEdge AR smart glasses for enterprise customers, which is a wearable augmented reality (AR) solution that combines dynaEdge AR100 mobile mini PC with Windows 10 Pro and dynaEdge AR100 head-mounted display (HMD). Toshiba says that the AR solution provides document viewing, live video calls, see what I see, photo/video capture, alerts/messaging, workflow instruction and barcode scanning capabilities, making it ideal for a variety of use cases, including maintenance, remote expert, manufacturing, QA inspection and audit, logistics, training, and knowledge transfer. The wearable Toshiba AR100 head-mounted display weighs about 50 grams and can be used with either the left or right eye based on your preference. It has an integrated micro display that provides a viewing experience equivalent to a 4.1-inch display seen at 14 inches and has an integrated touchpad, GPS, 3-axis accelerometer with a gyroscope for head tracking, 5MP POV camera, speaker, and dual noise-canceling microphones for voice communications. It offers lens-less frame, safety helmet mounts and headband, offering flexibility and comfort demanded by enterprises deploying wearable solutions. The AR100 HMD is developed in a partnership. The Toshiba's wearable dynaEdge AR100 mobile mini PC has a 5-button, on-device navigation system to enable up/down, left/right toggles as well as an enter button. By combining that with the swipe and tap functionality afforded by the integrated touchpad on the dynaEdge AR100 head-mounted display, users can easily navigate, find, open and operate applications seamlessly without needing a traditional keyboard and mouse, said the company. It also has a fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access to the dynaEdge AR smart glasses. It comes with a removable battery that offers an optional external battery charger that charges 4 batteries simultaneously. It has Intel 6th generation Core M processor with Intel HD graphics, 4GB 8GB or 16GB LPDDR3 RAM, 128GB, 256GB or 512GB SATA M.2 SSD, Intel Dual Band AC8260 with Wi-Fi 8000 and 21.11 AC, 2x2, plus Bluetooth, 3G/LTE, optional, microSD slot, USB 3.0, USB Type-C, Gen 1, display out, and headphone/microphone combo. It measures 165x85x20 mm and weighs 310 grams. The Toshiba dynaEdge AR smart glasses will be available in Q2 2018 starting at $1,899.99, Rs 1,23,510 approximate, and comes in various configurations with processor, memory, and storage options as well as developers' kits for different industrial applications.